going to be just a little bit rainy.
Yep.
That's all right.
Yep. At least we're on a trip.
Maybe we'll get Grit TV.
Hopefully.
Second sign. Making the turn in. Been about 5 months, I think, since we've been here. That is a little female turkey. Not used to seeing a lone female turkey like that. All right, here we go. Going to site 27. Trying to get the electric and the water hooked up before the rain really comes.
I tell you, when you come to Olino, you definitely feel like you're in the woods.
Oh yeah. That don't look too bad.
No, not at all.
I'm gonna leave it running. Well, let me hit that rock.
Okay, well, leave it running.
Yeah.
This is our spot. It's raining a bit, but we knew it was going to rain. We still wanted to go on this trip.
All right. We're at Olino State Park. We're in site 27 in Magnolia Loop. All the sites are good. This is a nice big level site. It's at 30 and 20 amp power with water. No 50. Nice L-shaped camp area. Fire pit. Yeah. Nice, like most of Olino spots over here in Magnolia. So we're going to do 2 nights here, then we're going to go to Reed Bingham up in Georgia and Adele, Georgia. Spend 2 nights, and then 1 night at Stephen Foster on the way back. The 2 nights that we're going to be here, it's already starting to sprinkle. It's going to rain all night tonight, and it's going to rain pretty much all day tomorrow. So we're not going to get a lot of time outside here, I don't think, but we needed to get away. So, go. We are going to get cabin fever. I can tell you that right now.
Yeah, 2 days.
2 days of rain. The whole time we're here. Oh, you get a break in the rain.
Gotta head up to Georgia for sunshine.
Get a break in the rain here, you got to go for the walk. All right?
Yeah.
Going up there cleaning, lady.
Shut up. Get my wellies off. Oh shoot, I dropped one.
Okay. What you doing, cleaning, lady?
Cleaning.
Oh my God, it's raining, raining, raining. Rained all night. It's gonna rain all day, didn't it, Hank?
Call 800-9HELP-90 now as your
Oh my goodness.
compensation for a free consultation to discuss your claim.
Yeah.
Call 800-9HELP-90.
Rain, rain, rain.
With Mucinex only one, you've got unbeatable
No.
relief.
All right, we were in site 27 at Olino State Park. We spent 2 nights here. Rained the whole time we were here. Got to absolutely do nothing except enjoy the inside of our RV. Momentary periods of taking Hank out to use the bathroom. Magnolia Loop's got nice big sites. This would have been perfect had the weather been just a little better, but that's right. We needed to get away. It's been a while, and we're going to head over to Adele, Georgia, and stay at Reed Bingham State Park. RV got dirty today. I think we're ready to go. You ready, Freddie? On the side.
Hi there. Hey there.
Stop.
Now we're leaving in sunshine.
Today's beautiful, but we're heading up to Adele, Georgia, and it's going to be beautiful up there too. So campfire night.
Yeah, we're not going to complain.
No. All right, we just got done dumping. Hank's ready to go.
Not going home.
We are not going home. All right, we like Olino. Be dry next time.
Yeah.
All right. See you, Olino. Here we come, Georgia. Oh, this looks like a nice road, too.
This is a good road.
Until we have to get on 75, huh?